Tired of complex payment setups? Whop's simple payment links are your secret weapon for effortless transactions. First, log into your Whop account once you're in. Navigate to the dashboard. You'll see a clear option to create a new payment link. Click on that to get started. Now, let's define your product. Enter a clear and concise name for what you're selling, then add a brief description to let your customers know exactly what they're getting. Lastly, set your price. You can enter any amount you'd like. To make your link even more appealing, you can upload a featured image. This will be displayed prominently, giving customers a visual of your offering. Choose something eye-catching. Next, decide what information you need from your customers. You can choose to collect their email address, Discord ID, or other relevant details. This is crucial for delivery and communication. With your product details and customer information set, it's time to generate your link. Click the Create Link button. Whop produces a unique, shareable link ready to go. You can now copy this link and share it anywhere: social media, email, or direct messages. Anyone with the link can easily purchase what you're offering. Your customers simply click the link, review the details, and complete the payment with ease. It's that straightforward, boosting your efficiency and making collecting payments a breeze.